The United States, a land of vast horizons and endless possibility. A place where nature paints in bold strokes, where cities rise like monuments to human ambition, and where every journey tells a story. From glowing coastlines to towering mountains, from ancient forests to modern skylines. This is a country shaped by wonder. Come with me as we discover some of the most beautiful places across this extraordinary land. New York City, a glowing crown of steel and light resting along the Atlantic coast. At sunrise, golden rays spill over Central Park, while the city breathes to life one heartbeat at a time. Skyscrapers shimmer like giants awakening, their reflections dancing on the Hudson River. By day, the streets pulse with ambition. Taxi horns, rushing footsteps, endless energy. And when night falls, Times Square erupts in color, a galaxy of neon lights and electric dreams. New York is a place that never stops moving, never stops believing, never stops inspiring. Then, far across the continent, the world suddenly opens into the impossible. The Grand Canyon, a breathtaking sculpture carved by time itself. Its layers of crimson, gold, and amber reveal millions of years in every curve and shadow. Standing at its edge, you feel both small and infinite. Humbled by the silence, awed by the scale. At sunset, the canyon glows like a furnace, its cliffs ignited in fiery brilliance. This is nature in its most powerful form. In the heart of California's Sierra Nevada, Yosemite rises in towering granite walls and cascading waterfalls. El Capitan stands like a guardian of stone, and Half Dome glows with sunset light. The valley floor hums with life, rivers, forests, and ancient trails whispering stories of the past. Mist drifts through the pines. Sunbeams pierce the morning fog, and Yosemite reminds you of something simple, something pure. The world is still beautiful. Across the ocean, the Hawaiian Islands welcome you with warm winds and landscapes born from fire and sea. Turquoise waters lap against black volcanic shores. Emerald mountains rise from the clouds, and waterfalls tumble into hidden valleys. Here, the air feels alive with spirit. From the quiet rumble of volcanoes to the gentle sway of palm trees at sunset. Hawaii is a paradise where nature speaks in color, warmth, and rhythm. Drifting south along the coast, a ribbon of islands stretches into shimmering blue. The Florida Keys, like a place where life moves with the tide. The ocean glows in every shade of turquoise. Boats trace silver lines across calm water. And sunsets melt into the horizon like strokes of gold. Here, time slows, and the world feels peaceful again. But in the far north, America reveals a different kind of beauty. Untouched, raw, and powerful. Alaska is a world of snow-capped giants and sprawling glaciers. A place where forests stretch further than imagination. And silence settles over the land like a blanket of snow. Then when night falls, the sky erupts into the colors of the aurora. Green, violet, and blue swirling together in a cosmic dance across the darkness. Alaska reminds us that some wonders cannot be created, only discovered. Hidden in the heart of the Arizona desert lies a secret world of flowing stone. Antelope Canyon glows with the sunlit waves of red, orange, and gold. A sandstone sculpture carved by wind and water. Light beams fall through the narrow chambers, creating a silent cathedral of color. In this place, even the desert whispers softly. Where fog meets the Pacific Ocean, San Francisco rises with graceful charm. The Golden Gate Bridge stretches across the water like a gateway to another world. Its orange towers glowing against morning mist. Victorian homes line steep hills. Cable cars rattle through timeless streets. and the city hums with creativity and culture. San Francisco is a blend of art, history, and coastal beauty, a city with a soul. South of the bay, the California coastline unfolds in cliffs, coves, and roaring waves. Big Sur stands as one of Earth's most dramatic edges, where mountains plunge into the sea. And the sky feels impossibly wide. Farther down, Malibu glows in golden hues. Surfers ride sunset waves as the ocean breathes beneath a painted sky. On the eastern side of the country, ancient mountains rest beneath drifting veils of mist. The Great Smoky Mountains whisper with quiet streams, lush forests, and trails that lead deeper into peace. As daylight fades, the mountains glow in shades of blue and lavender, reminding you that beauty doesn't always need grandeur, only presence. In the nation's capital, history stands tall beneath cherry blossom skies. Monuments reflect in still waters, telling stories of courage, change, and hope. Washington, D.C. blends past and present into a peaceful harmony, where every stone carries meaning. Nestled between California and Nevada, Lake Tahoe shines like a sapphire stone surrounded by snow-capped mountains. Its crystal-clear waters mirror the sky, creating a serene world of reflection and color. Summer brings boating, hiking, and warm breezes. Winter transforms Tahoe into a snowy wonderland of skiing and alpine beauty. From oceans to mountains, from deserts to forests, from cities of light to landscapes carved by time. The United States is a tapestry woven with extraordinary beauty. It is not just a place to see, but a place to feel. A land of wonder, a land of stories, where every horizon invites exploration. And in every moment, you discover that the greatest journeys are the ones that remind you how beautiful the world can be.